the deck. It ain't in the deck. We're not playing this game.
Never had
Playing Jenga. Oh.
I've seen it done so many times on the cooking channel.
Go fish.
Get lost.
Jenga.
So it's going to be never taken like
Start playing.
100%. Now, things are vegetables, artichoke and asparagus will be like 10
You know,
and
this is...
10
See,
okay, but
I'm not playing with you anymore. I'm not playing.
Uh-oh,
is that a ball?
I was going to get asparagus.
Hello? Hello?
Oh.
Hi, sir. Yes, we're just sitting in the back here, going over some documents. Yeah. Yeah, we got that one. Tonight? The steakhouse? All right. Yeah, all right. Good. All right. Yeah. Bye, sir. Bye. Steakhouse. Steakhouse. I love steak. Oh man, it sure is dark out. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't be flooring it. I didn't even know you were driving. Oh, hey, I am the law. Yeah, we got badges, man. Hold on. We are serious crime fighting fighters.
Wake up, son of mine. Mama got something to tell you.
Trying different approach here. We just press on here and look out for a subject over there. Yeah, kind of like last night's steakhouse better. Cheeto steak. Yeah. Cheeto steak. Those are good. Maybe this isn't such a good approach. Maybe we shouldn't be wearing such fishes. Well, we do look good in these yeah, these badges make us look pretty cool. Oh, I just a hamburger. Maybe we should go home and talk to that gentleman. Where's your steakhouse? I want to make friends. Should we just go on over? Let's John Diddle's doing it. Get on over. Let's go and come back on up. All right. Good call. All right. Oh, there you go. You're throwing on the... Not bad. All right. Hey now, Mr. That's a weapon. Not that. Is that your hand? Oh, what is it? Who are you? Those are not pruning pretty hairy man, and you got a little big nipple. This is more than one. I mean, a boy. They're coming. Get it. Come on. Well, now, I think we did a darn diddly good job on this here on Stakeout today. Yeah, we look good doing it. Yeah, we got these cool badges. We good cops. Yeah, we good. I wish I'd wear this suit all the time. I got a little boo-boo. I fell. Yeah, kind of. That was freaking, yeah. I wonder if that's Bob. Probably only got a hold of it. Hello? Sir? Sir? Oh, my God, Bob?
This was a test, and you failed. You both fired! Stop your nightly.
He thought he fired us, but we still got our badges. Hell yeah! Woo!